What's up mga Ka Beauties? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leigh on Leigh Style, and for today's video, it's all about skincare. I want to introduce with you my new discover skincare, which is the Kinder Beauty. If you're not familiar guys with Kinder Beauty is a subscription beauty box that delivers skincare, makeup, any kind of beauty product straight to your door. So I got Kinder Beauty box from Kinder Beauty, of course. So let me show it to you guys. So this is the box that they sent me. A very simple, pretty box. Cute siya. Environmental friendly. O, diba? Okay. Let's see what's in the box. Boom. Ayan. So you have 5 beauty products you will receive for every Kinder Beauty box. Ayan. So let's go ahead and let me show you what's inside the box. So let me start with this scrunchie. This one. This is their bamboo silk scrunchie in the shade of black out black. So ayan. I really like using this. So maganda to guys kasi pag mga ganito, it helps prevent breakage. So, hindi nagkaka-break yung inyong hair. You can use this before washing your face or in the middle of the day if you don't want your hair na ganyan, ladlad lang. Pwede nyo itong gamitin kasi this is really hair friendly. Ayan. So, me, usually what I will do, I use this kind of scrunchie to my hair. I'll just make a kind of messy bun like this. Messy bun. Messy nga eh. So, hindi kailangan ayusin. So, sumobra pagka messy. So, I'll just use this. Make a messy bun like this. And put it like that. I don't know. For some reason, I want it to be like a bow like that. Yan. So, I do that kind of bun when I use this scrunchie. And of course you can wash your face if you have something to do in a daily basis. You can just put up your hair like that so it's not gonna be on your face. I like this kind of hair stuff. Okay, so this is included when you get your Kinder Beauty box. Ayan. Okay, let's go to the next one. They have this Hawaiian beauty water. So this is the bottle. So it comes in a glass bottle. And of course, it has a spray pump. Ayan. Ooh. Oh, smells good. So this Hawaiian beauty water is made out of papaya enzyme, hibiscus and co or Hawaiian sugar. Works together to gently exfoliate, revealing softer and more radiant skin. And this can be used 1 to 5 times a week. So I think if you have dry skin, you can use this 1 to 3 times a week. Or if you have oily skin like me, you can use it 1 to 5 times a week. So they suggest this to not directly spray straightly to your face. So ang gagawin nyo using cotton pad or cotton balls, you're gonna spray it directly to the cotton pad and then you will gently pat it on your face like that. Ang bango niya. The smell is not like a harsh smell. You can tolerate it. It smells like organic. Alam mo yun? Pag sinabing organic, alam mo na parang smell like halaman. Ganon. Ganon siya. Ganon yung pagkaka-smell ko sa kanya. Siyempre, iba-iba tayo ng pang-amoy. But yun yung pang-amoy ko sa kanya. So, ganyan. Ganyan ang pag gamit. So, like I've said, it depends on your skin type. You can use this 1 to 5 times a week. So, let's go to the next one. They have these eye patches. Ayan, this eye patches. This is the Bright Eyes Eye Mask to depuff and brighten. Ayan. Medyo malabo eh. Nalabuan ako kaya medyo mabagal yung pagkakabasa ko. I'm sorry. Ayan. So, eye patches is one of my favorite beauty products or skincare products. Say, you can't go wrong with eye patches. You can use it any time of the day. What I like about these eye patches is they use the power of cucumber, hyaluronic acid, aloe juice, and caffeine to hydrate and beef up the eye area. So to use it, very simple lang. So all you have to do is put that under your eye like that. Ooh, I like the cooling effect. Oh my god. it's very relaxing. So, ganyan. So, while you're drinking coffee, sitting down, relaxing, or pag hindi kayo nakatulog magdamag, just use this one. So, it will defog the eye area. Ayan, especially if you have eye bags. Ganyan. So, super sarap ng pakiramdam. It really feels good, no? And the cooling effect, it's perfect. Alright, let's go to the next one. The next one is this Dirty Lamp Ultra Night Serum. Ayan. Yes, you can see also in a bottle packaging with a dropper. Ayan. So, I really like Serum skincare product. Kasi feeling ko mas nag-work yung serum sa aking face. Not like the cream. I'm more into serum than creams. Hindi ako masyadong gumagamit ng mga cream sa mukha. I only use sunblock and sometimes moisturizer in the morning. But because I'm so oily, once in a while lang ako nagmo-moisturizer sa daytime. At night, I only use serum. But anyway, it's just me. We have our own skin type. We all have different skin types, so it depends. It's always depend on your skin type what skincare product you're gonna use. Yun lang yan. Anyway, let's go back to this. So this is the Dirty Lamp Ultra Night Serum. So you use this at night. So this serum is made out of high antioxidant blends of fatty acid, will hydrate your skin throughout the night without leaving it oily. So sometimes we misunderstood na pag oily ka, hindi mo na kailangan yung mga oil na serum or face oil, but still you need it. Me, I'm so oily, but I still use face oil or oil cleanser kasi it's healthy. Sabi nga nila, mas advantage if you have oily skin kasi mas mabagal yung appearance ng wrinkles pag oily ka. O, diba? Ang gandang benefits ng oil. This one is parang liquidy. Liquidy siya actually. Ayan. So, this has calming scent of lavender, yang-yang, and orange essential oil. So, ang scent niya is more on orange scent. It's really orange scent. It's so good. It smell like my what do you call that? Yung yung oil diffuser ko dyan. Yun yung red na yun. It smell, I put tangerine scent din eh. Parang ganito. Oh, it's so good. You know when you smell like a fruity scent, it's very calming, especially with the mix of lavender. It's really good. So, little goes a long way. You only need 1 to 3 drops to put it on your face. So what you will do is you will just need 3 drops, 2, 3, and you warm it in your hands. Of course, with a clean face and neck, you will just slightly dump it like that. Press it to your skin like you normally do. Like ako ganyan kasi ako maglagay ng face oil or serum on my face. So ayan. Actually, it's very absorbent. It easily absorb your skin. The product easily absorb your skin. Ayan. It's very calming. Kumakalma ako ganyan. It's very calming. The scent is very nice. You will love this, guys. I'm actually loving it already. I think this will be a friendly product when it comes to your skincare. You need to include this one. This is really, really good. Nice serum. Okay. So for the last one, we have this Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. Nabubulol ako. So, this is the packaging. So, buksan natin. So, it's also glass, no? Most of the product all comes with the glass packaging. So, there you have it. So, this moisturizer is packed with superfoods such as spirulina and matcha, and concentrated phytonutrients, antioxidant, and vegan hyaluronic acid. This is non-greasy cream, suits and nurture your skin. Ayan. Let's see what it looks like inside. So there you have it. Ayan. It smells good. Smell like fruity scent. So see the consistency is very creamy. see if it's non-greasy. You see? Really non-greasy though. And it really absorbs right away. Let me to my skin. See? It leaves a glowy. Your skin will really feels moisturized. Oh, I love the feeling. And it really absorbs right away. See? Wala man lang mark ng pagka-greasiness. It's very absorbent. So this moisturizer claims that it's perfect of targeting redness, dull skin, or dehydrated skin. Ayan. This moisturizer will gonna love your skin. Yeah. Good. I love the scent. Very fruity scent. I like it. So there you have it, guys. If you want to try these amazing beauty products and discover the beauty every month, kindly use the code that I will put on my description box as well as the link on their website so you can check them out. And always remember, ladies, that your beautiful skin is your beauty. So I hope you like this review, and thank you so much, of course, to Kinder Beauty for sending me these amazing beauty skincare products. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please do, and kindly hit the notification bell so you will get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!